Hello everyone, today we will be discussing the chapter 13 ethical and social issues. So our main objective on this chapter is to define ethics, recognize the need for ethical practices in business, discuss an entrepreneur's social responsibilities, and list ways to meet a business environmental responsibility.
What is ethics? Ethics means knowing the difference between right and wrong and making good choices. It helps people to do the right thing in life and work. A code of ethics is a list of rules that tell people or businesses how they should behave. It helps them do what's right and avoid doing harm. Business ethics. Business ethics means using those rules in the workplace. It helps businesses decide what's fair, honest, and respectful when working with others. Myths about business and ethics. Some people believe things that are not true about ethics in business. For example, they think making money is the only thing that matters. They may treat others badly and say it's just business. They believe doing the right thing will hurt profits, but actually being honest can help avoid big problems and build trust. Consumer awareness. Today, people care about how businesses behave. If a business is unfair, customers notice. That's why many businesses try to show they are honest and do the right thing every day. So remember, being ethical means making good choices. In business, it helps build trust and keeps both workers and customer happy. And always choose to do what's right every day.
So next one is establish an ethical workplace. First, you want to do the right thing. Second, you want to serve as a role model to others. Third, you want to be proud of the way you conduct yourself and you want others to be proud of you. Fourth, ethical behavior is good for business because it gains the trust of customers. Fifth, employees are more likely to act ethically if they see the business owners acting in an ethical manner. And lastly, acting ethically reduces the possibility of being sued. Create a written code of ethics. One way that you can communicate your ethical beliefs to people who can work for you is by creating a written code of ethics. Such guidelines will help you and your employees to make the ethical decisions. Social responsibilities. As an individual, you have personal responsibilities to yourself, to your family, and to your friends. Moving on with the responsibilities to customers, there are 5 ways. First is to treat all customers with respect. No one likes to be treated badly. Second, be honest. Never take unfair advantage of customers who do not know everything about the product or service they want to buy. Help your customers to make good purchasing decisions. Third, avoid exaggerating the merits of your products and services. Remember, the customer who are not happy with what they purchase will not do business with you again. Fourth, inform customers of possible dangers of products you sell. Remember that this is also a legal requirement. And lastly, handle all disputes fairly. Try to see the customer side of an issue when there is a disagreement. Next is responsibilities to suppliers. First is to treat all suppliers with respect. If you respect them, they will respect you. Second, avoid spreading rumors or incorrect information about suppliers. Do not discuss information that is not factual with others. Rumors can damage a business's reputation. Third, give suppliers time to fill your order. Try to not wait until the last minute to ask for merchandise. Fourth is handle all disputes fairly. Try to see both sides of the issue and work out a solution that is fair to both to both you and the supplier. And lastly, let your current suppliers know the reason for your decision if you change suppliers. This is a courtesy to the supplier as well as a good business practice. The supplier will appreciate the feedback to use in developing future competitive strategies.
Hello everyone, this is Abdulhani A. Abbas. Today, I will be presenting the responsibilities to creditors and investors. So, creditors and investors have shown faith in your ability to succeed. So, in order to repay them for their confidence in you, is dapat mong pamahalaan or itakbo ang iyong negosyo ng mahusay hanggat maaari. Dapat mo ring ipaalam sa mga creditor at mamumuhunan kapag may mga bagay na hindi maganda ang takbo. So, huwag mong i-conceal ang risk na iyong kinakaharap. Next is responsibilities to your community. Business owners have a special responsibility to contribute to their communities. They can do so in various ways, including donating money, products, and services. Kasi kung hindi nila ito gagawin, maaaring magdulot ito ng negatibong epekto sa kanilang komunidad at sa kanilang negosyo sa pangmatagalan. Kasi maaari silang mawalan ng suporta mula sa publiko at maaaring mapahamak ang kanilang reputasyon or yung kanilang reputation. So, if you want to be a business owner someday, then you should take note of this because this is one of the important thing when it comes to handling your business towards your community. Okay, so meron tayong mga klase ng responsibilities to your community, which is the first one here is contribute money. Business owners should donate money to charities, cultural institutions, and causes in which they believe. It is their responsibility to give something back to the community. Second, donate products or services. Some businesses donate the products or services their business sells. Used clothing stores donate unsold clothes to charities. Lastly is get involved. You can contribute to your community in other ways as well. Some entrepreneurs get involved in issues affecting their local governments, such as changes in zoning laws and the establishment of local parks. So, yun ang mga bagay na napaloob dito sa responsible to your community. Next, dito naman tayo sa respect the environment. Number 1, protect the environment from pollutants. Number 2, conserve non-renewable resources such as coal and oil by using them efficiently. Third, reduce waste and dispose of waste responsibly. 4, use environmentally safe and sustainable energy sources to meet your business needs. And number 5, sell products that cause as little damage to the environment as possible. So, these 5 concepts were important as we do the ethical duties of a business owners. Okay, lastly is the laws governing the environment. In 1970, the federal government created an agency to enforce the laws governing the environment. The Environmental Protection Agency, or EPA, enforces federal laws concerning clean air and water. So, if your business handles hazardous materials, you will need to become familiar with these laws. Especially kung ikaw ay may negosyo na gumagamit o nagtatapon ng mga mapanganib na materials, so kailangan mo maging familiar sa mga regulation at batas na ito. So, upang maiwasan ang mga multa, yung mga multa, pagsasara ng negosyo at iba pang legal na problema. So, that would be all and thank you.